Hello, now let us look at this compound shape question. And from the question, it comprises of it's a work surface that is made up of a semicircle and a rectangle. And the question reads that calculate the area of the work surface. Okay, so here is the semicircle, and here we also have the rectangle with the dimension of 60 centimeter as the height and 30 centimeter as the base or as the width as the case may be. Okay, so how do we go about it? Now the area of this compound shape will be the sum of the area of the semicircle and the rectangle. So what is the semicircle? Now a semicircle is the equal half of a circle. So what is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is pi r squared. Now because it is a semicircle, we need to divide this area by 2. So we have it by 2. Then plus the area of the rectangle, which is given as the length times the width or the base as the case may be, or the height as the case may be. So let me be using base here. Okay, so now what is the radius of the circle? Now if we take a look at the diagram, this line here is the same as this line here, which correspond that it is the same as 30 centimeters. So, and because the diameter is 30, so we can agree that the radius is 15 centimeter. Okay, so let's plug that in, and we know that pi is 22 over 7. So we then have 22 over 7 then times the radius, which is now 15, all squared, then all over the 2, then plus the length times the base. The length is 60, now times the base, which is 30. Okay, so if we resolve the whole of this from our calculator, we get to have 353.5875, and we know that 60 times 30 will give us 1800. So here we have 1800. So when we sum these two together, we end up having 2153 then 0.5878. So let's approximate it to the nearest whole number. There we have 2154 centimeter square. Final answer. Okay, that's the final answer. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you. Bye bye.